love putting people off their
So
minds.
rude then.
So crude.
Don't. Oh, that's not bad.
Whoa, what?